Now that we have completed all the transactions and the assignment as a whole, we will now extract the closing reports, that is trial balance, balance sheet, and profit or loss. So first of all, we will extract trial balance. I'll go to company, and under the company sections there is report, and in report trial balance can be found in journal ledger, and then I'll go to journal ledger trial balance. Now I'll double click on it. Now since I remember all the figures, I know that all of these balances of each ledger are correct and the total is also correct. You should get 10922,419 as a debit total and credit total. Now for your reference, and if you want to match your trial balance figures with this one, I'll just export it to Excel and then save it as Excel file and attach with this video so that you can download and see each figure and compare it with yours. So to extract this report, I'll click on Excel and click on create a new Microsoft Excel workbook. Click OK. Now this is my workbook. Let's save it now. Zen Traders closing trial. And similarly, for each balance, if there is a difference, for example, and you want to find out that which transaction is missing with this ledger balance, why this total doesn't match with your ledger balance, so you need obviously the details of each ledger. If I double click on it on any of the ledger, let's say inventory, so I'll get the details for that particular ledger. But if you want to see the details of all the ledgers together, then you can extract the journal ledger report. Let me set the period. It is already set to 1st of January to 31st January. So it shows from the opening point till the ending point. All the transaction it will show. For example, in the opening position, account receivable was 150,000, and then there was a sale, and then there was a balance clearance paid by Mr. Mubarak, all previous balance, and then cash sales, and then receive cash. So all the transactions are there, so you can compare these transactions with yours. So I'll extract this report as well, create a new spreadsheet. Now my complete ledgers reports is extracted. Now I'll go to file and save as. I'll save it as closing. Okay, Zen Traders closing GL report. Now similarly, to extract the financial statements, I'll go to financial statements, and first of all I'll extract income statement, and period is current 3 period, or you can set to current period. Now there are some settings as well. Show zero amounts, you can uncheck this, and print page numbers. Okay, it shows lots of zero amounts. Now I'll just uncheck this and click OK. Now this is the kind of income statement that we want. It's for the month, 1 month ending on 31st January 2020. That means 1st to 31st. And current month sale is this, and year to date is this. Now, if you have more records, like practically in the company, you have nearly 5 years of records. So it will give you a comparison also that how your income is moving. I'll extract this as well. Now let's save it as Zen Traders closing P and L. Now our last report is of balance sheet report. Balance sheet is on the top. I'll click on balance sheet, and you can just directly click OK because it is already unchecked. Show zero amounts. So this is our balance sheet. You can compare the balance of each. But most probably, if you reconcile the trial balance figures, you don't need to match your figures with income statement and balance sheet because it is already matched with individual ledgers balances in the trial balance. But just for the reference, I'm exporting this as well. Click on Excel, new worksheet. Save as. Then Traders closing balance sheet. So this is how you reconcile and extract the reports of the company after the finalization of all records. Now in the next video, we will move to our next assignment, and that is of a manufacturing company.